Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get free gems in Archero 2. Alright, without further ado, just go ahead over to your home screen and go to your favorite browser. Alright, and here go to the URL box and type in h5-archero.happy.com/racist event. I don't know why this is the URL, but it works. Just go ahead and hit on enter and you will be landed to this exact page, or the Archero rewards page. All right, just go ahead and put your game ID right here. You'll find that by going to your settings. All right, put that right here. Now in the rewards code, just go ahead and type in spring. All right, then a 2025. All right, now if that won't work, delete I right here and just type in SBRNG 2025. And once done, just go ahead and type in the verification right here just to prove that you are not a robot. Then just hit on redeem. All right, as you can see here, here's your player ID, the closest one. Go ahead over to your settings and here your player ID. Then just go ahead over to the redeem button right here, tap on it, and you should be able to see your gems. All right, free gems. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Just redeem the code. Congratulations, your reward.